wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we have to go. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I've been here the whole time. I've been running laps in this bitch is 09. I could put you on a map with a cosign. Trophies got a crib looking like a gold mine. They follow in my footsteps, cause I know that I paved the way. She think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so your salary my day to day. I'm numb to awards, now the Grammys act like paperweights. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. Had to drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the 6. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, where I'm at, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to go missing. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the #1 spot, you gotta take mine. Only way to do that is for you to write some break lines. You ain't even big enough to get cloned by AI. I don't know nobody living quite like this. Hopped in the ghost, it ain't even got mileage. They gon' remember the name cause I'm timeless. Say time is money, just know mine is priceless. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. Yeah. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep. Yeah, it's hard to keep. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we have to go. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big.
Oh, my mic was off for so long. All right, guys, today is the how are you, Sammy? Hello, Eman. Yeah, my mic was off. I was talking to myself. All right, so today is the 21st of June 2023. Hope you guys had a good trading week, a good start to your trading week. What is going on? We're going to look back at some of the analysis that we gave. We're going to look at some pairs also. If you have any pairs you want analysis for, put that in the comment section now early. Because once we're 15 minutes, 20 minutes in and we start doing the analysis, we're not really going to go back. So for today, we're going to look at EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDJPY, GBPJPY, XAUUSD. Okay, so if you have any pairs, put that in the comment section for now before we start. Hello, Tandy. So let's go. A lot of things have happened. The market has moved. Gold has played some games. Yeah, let's see. I'm also trying to take some scalps. Let's see, I didn't miss any scalp so far. So yes, an update on the account that I started with 250. Hello Desi. An update that with the account that I started with 250. USDJPY is on the list. USDJPY is on the list. Don't worry about that. Hello Peter. CAD JPY. Okay, we'll add CAD JPY to the list. That will be after USDJPY, after GBPJPY. Okay, US 30. I don't really do US 30, but we'll consider it after gold. So you have to wait till the end. Hello, Peter. So yeah, the account updates that I'm trying to take a scalp trade. So this is USDJPY. So let's see how good we've done so far. Boom, 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 boom. Started with 250, went all the way down, profit. I had to hedge sometimes here. I had to hedge this out. Boom, boom, boom. And go profit all the way. So many trades for so many days. It's about 2 months we've been scalping this account so far. Yeah, I had to take some hedges here. This. Yeah. And I made a big profit this week. I made a big profit last week also. So yeah, scalping. I've only had one scalp trade so far this week. Seems I might have another one. But with that being said, let's go back to our analysis and go back to our charts. Boom, boom, boom. Where is it? Okay. So yeah. Let me see. Did I have a nope? No scalp trade yet. But that was my software letting me know that there might be a scalp trade. Hello, California in the house. Dakeba Options. How are you? When did you subscribe to the channel? Hello, Eluwine. Hey, Solomon, long time. AUDCHF, you're lucky. We will put that in the list. AUDCHF. Okay. I don't know why you're trading AUDCHF, but we all see. So, majority of scalps is UJIC. No, I scalp EURUSD. I scalp USDJPY. Just this period, I'm scalping USDJPY, and I get a lot of questions that, oh, I scalp only USDJPY during the period that I'm trading USDJPY. And when I'm, that's my software making noise, and it's showing me that there might be a scalp trade. And when I'm scalping EURUSD, a lot of people are like, oh, you only scalp EURUSD. When I swing EURUSD, oh, you only swing EURUSD. When I swing gold, oh, you only swing gold. When I swing UJ, when I swing EJ. So every time I'm trading something for a period of time, people always think that's what I always trade. But if you go back and watch my videos, I have almost 900 videos. You'd see, that's my software. I have to stop it because I want to do the stream, because it's giving me signals for scalping. So it's making noise. Explain when your hedge gets filled with 2 positions, when the ask doesn't get filled at break even. I don't know what that means. Nathan, okay. Hello, hi Nathan. So XAUUSD. Okay, we'll do XAUUSD after XAUUSD. I don't usually do XAUUSD, but we'll see. So we have a lot of pairs today: EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDJPY, GBPJPY, CAD JPY, AUDCHF, XAUUSD, XAGUSD, and US30. All right, that's a lot for today, but we will get it done. And with that being said, if you want to buy the course, you want to learn how to do this, you want to get the software on MT4 that does everything, does all the analysis for you, tells you when and where to buy, you can go to hedgingmastermind.com. If you want to get signals, you can either join the link in description below for Myoga Markets. Okay, sign up with the link in description below for Myoga Markets. Make sure it's the broker that I use also. Make sure you have at least $300 to $500 to be able to copy my trades, because with the lot sizing and everything, that's the minimum that you'll need. And yeah, if you want to use your own broker, you can go to Hedging Mastermind also hedgingmastermind.com also, and get the 1-year one-time fee signals. Also, if you want to get the software for trading view, you can get that from Hedging Mastermind also. But with that being said, talking about the broker, we'll take about a 1 minute 30 seconds break, and we'll be right back doing the analysis. Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I use to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, USDC, Ethereum, and many more. And the transactions are done in an instant. No waiting or delays. This broker does it in an instant. The trading platform is done in MT4, which I consider the best trading platform if you want to have the best trading experience. You can click the link in description below to sign up and start trading and making profits just like I do. All right. So where are we? Euro USD. Euro USD, like I said before, and I was afraid of, is in a consolidation. Okay, we were making some profit from it before, right? We said move, take profit to break even. It was able to drop again. I was hoping it was able to, or it was going to stay below this point, but it did not. And it looks like it has gone back to this consolidated area right here. And it looks like it wants to continue to go long. Okay, so for today, I don't expect it to continue to push up, but towards the end of the long term, I expect it to go all the way to 1.105 area. Okay. Now, if we wanted to take a trade on this, we still have this area, right? We still have this area, but if it continues to go long, I expect it to just break this area very easily. Not like what we predicted here, that it should just bounce off this place. Let's see. If we want to take a trade, it's not possible to take a trade right now. It most likely has to come back down here and then fully bounce off. That would be the best place to take a trade. So we'll say somewhere around 1.0925. So let's hit target here. So you'll be risking about 20 pips. Take profit of 124 pips or 25 pips, 6.5 to 1 ratio trade. This is the only way you can get a good trade on Euro USD. But this trade, I'll have to see it play out. If this happens today, then it's very possible. If the market suddenly just drops, then it's very possible. Okay, but I'm not going to live stream tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. I'm not going to live stream tomorrow, so be very cautious of this trade. All right, so that's Euro USD. Let's move on to GBPUSD, which is next on our list, then USDJPY. Let's focus on GBPUSD for now. Thank you, Tandy, for the comments. Let's see. Oh, Tandy, you asked about GBPCHF yesterday. How did it play out for you? Remember, I said you should take some part profits. Let's see. GBPUSD. GBPUSD is looking bearish as of now. While Euro USD is looking bullish. So that means something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong somewhere. But we'll look at all scenarios. Look at a short scenario for GBP USD. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. We're talking about 1.2575. 75. One point 2575. So but GBP USD and Euro USD. Anyways, this is what the market is showing for now. It would be better to take an entry because you're risking about 25 pips if you take it from here, 1.2775. But if it gets here, it's very, high possibility that Euro USD and GBP USD, they are not so sure. Okay, same rule for that I gave for Euro USD, right? If this trade doesn't get hit today, right, then the probability of hitting what's the word? Not probability. The confidence level. Is it confidence level? Anyways, the percentage wise I have on it reduces. For now, right? If the entries, even if you enter from here, if the entries are hit today, then the probability of the trade hitting take profits is much more higher, right? Same thing for Euro USD. You get into 40-50 pips, take some profits, move the rest to break even. Okay, but if it doesn't, for example, today it can be 95%. If the entry gets hit tomorrow, then it's like 70%. So that's just the issue with these trades with Euro USD and GBP USD. Anyways, let's move on to the next, which is USDJPY, and then GBPJPY, and then CAUDCHF. In summer periods, it's kind of hard to find swing trades. Thank you for Sammy for the comments. Thank you, Tandy, for the comments. Thank you. Boom, boom, boom. All right, USDJPY. USDJPY, we're in this consolidation zone, up, down, right? I was talking about this, that may be a trap and then bounce, which it did. And we're here again. So at this point, we've had a false breakout here. Is this a false breakout? I doubt it, right? Because it went once. If you wanted to have a false breakout, that would have been it. Then it went again. Definitely no entry on this trade so far. We could expect it to continue to go. If it continues to go all the way to 142.5, then it has left the consolidation zone, right? Which means it would be good for us to start looking for trades then. Let me see something. Because I want to see if it's possible to take some other kind of entry. Okay, there's a possible trade. Okay, I see the possibility for a long. But the risk to reward ratio is very low. Anyways, if it continues to go long, I expect it to go all the way to 143.5 long term. There's no entry so far as of now. We have to wait till today, right? Today we need to see it reach 142.5. If it cannot reach 142.5, then most likely what will happen is we'll drop back into this consolidation zone. So all right, let's move on to GBPJPY.
meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the field to the six. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a.
Thank you for the comments, Dandy. Thank you for the comments, Sammy. Yeah, let's move on to GBPJPY. GBPJPY, we're looking at taking a long. I remember the last time we were looking at taking a long, I was saying it's better to find an entry here. If we did, we would have been in sweet profits. I said if you have the lot size and the risk, you can enter early. For those people who entered early, they would have been in profits. But if you wanted to minimize risk, then yeah, and have 7-to-1 ratio. But the question now is it going to continue to go long? Again, our long-term targets still stay the same. Is it going to continue to go long? I expect it to continue to go long. Where can we still take this trade? Yes, you can still take this trade. You can still enter early if you want. Yeah, trade still stays the same. Nothing has changed with GBPJPY. Still stays the same as how we analyzed before. All right, so let's move on to CAD-JPY. CAD-JPY. CAD-JPY, CAD-JPY. Is there a trade on CAD-JPY? Okay, seems it's possible. If we enter now, go for this. This is exit here. No. Let's see. 107.5. Okay, 3.25 more issue trade. CAD-JPY is not so, because it has an exit of about 40 pips, right? It has an exit of about 40 pips. Target of 133 pips, 135 pips. Risk reward ratio of 3.5. If you enter at 107.5, set your exit at 107.14, right? Set your target at 108, or let's just say 109, right? About 4-to-1 risk reward ratio. It's the only one that I found an entry with, USDJPY, not really GBPJPY. We still had the same analysis, Yeah, so that's CAD-JPY for you. Thank you for the comment, Stanley. Thank you for the comment, Sammy. Let's see. Thank you. More and more comments helps. It helps the channel, helps give it engagement, encourages me to do more live streams. Okay, thank you. All right, so let's move on. What's next on our list? AUDCHF. Who requested AUDCHF? Right. AUDC. I don't know. It's not even on my list. That's just I have to look for it. See. All right, so what are you doing with AUDCHF? Whoever asked for AUDCHF, what are you doing with AUDCHF? What do you need analysis on? Are you in a trade? Are you buying? Are you selling? Are you selling? Are you selling? Are you selling? Are you buying? Are you selling? Let me see. Who asked for AUDCHF? Someone asked for AUDCHF. Or did I just make that up? AUDCHF. I don't know who asked for AUDCHF, but I'll just, I'll just give general. Okay. AUDCHF, you said you're selling. All right, so if you're selling, that's good for you. You're in the right direction. The only issue is it might not continue to go down anymore, right? It might not continue to go down anymore. If you are selling, you might want to start taking profits, right? You might want to start taking majority of your profits now, because from this point on, if it breaks, let's see.
keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty.
If it breaks this high, then I expect it to continue to go long. I don't expect it to go below 0.605. And if it can't continue to go, you know what is going to happen. It's just going to bounce. So that's why I've said, I don't want to take profits now. Majority of your profits. Okay. And put the rest at break even. All right. So gold. Thank you for the comment, Sammy. You took profits. All right, that's good. All right, gold. Gold has been playing games with us. Gold has been playing games with us for weeks, guys. Gold has been playing games with us. Remember, we were in this consolidation for days. Finally, we thought we had a break. Then it pushed back up, false breakouts. We thought we had a break here again. Remember what I was saying in the last stream yesterday? I was saying that it might just be a bigger consolidation, right? Unless it can break here, then it won't really have so much of a big drop, right? But at least we will know we will leave this consolidation zone. But it broke it, but couldn't really break it well, right? See all the spikes. I'm still bearish. I'm selling. I'm sure you see from my live stream that I'm selling. I've put the trade at break even, right? From somewhere around here I sold. If it cannot continue to break this place and go to 1910, if it breaks above 1940, then obviously we are back into this consolidation zone. That's just it. That's just it for gold. If you want to take a risk, you can take a buy, right? You can take a buy and buy all the way here for about over 300 pips, but your exit is going to be here. So you'd be risking about 140 pips for 320 pips, okay? 2.2 risk to reward ratio trade. Not really that good. Or 2.5. If you are risking about 130, let's say you enter now, you are going for 330 pips. 2.5 risk to reward ratio. Is it good? All right, so what do we have left? What do we have left? Okay, gold. Thank you for the comment, Standy. You said I got in the GJ trade. Looks good. That GJ trade was from yesterday. Do you mean in the or you just got in now? Because that's far from even our late entry. If you just got in now. And even this gold trade is somewhat of a gamble. If you are using your main accounts to take the trade, I would say you should enter somewhere around here, right? 1930. If you are using your profits, you can just use your profits to take a gamble. Plain and simple. This trade is risking a lot. When you are taking a trade with gold, you are risking a lot. So risking about 100 pips for 350 pips, good. Just don't take it with your main capital. If you're taking it to your main capital, use a lower lot size. If you're taking it, you want to take it full on, use your profits. Because what this is a gamble on the consolidation. It's a gamble on the consolidation. It's not a technical trade. It's not a technical analysis. It's just a gamble on consolidation. Anyways, we have about 1 minute left on this live stream. If you have any last minute questions, put that in the comment section. And if not, we will meet on Friday and we'll be right back. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. If you want to copy my trades, sign up with the link in description with Mugen Markets, because at the end of this month, I'm going to decide if I'm going to continue to give free signals analysis on YouTube for the next 6 months, or I'm going to just start the private signal group. If you want to copy my trades for free, sign up with Mugen Markets, link in the description below. Make sure you have at least $300 to $500 to be able to copy my trades. If you want to buy the course to learn how I scalp, swing trade, hedge my trades, all with live trades, I'll take the trades live with you and teach you. Go to hedgingmastermind.com, and it comes with the software that does all the analysis for you, but on MT4 and MT5. If you want it on TradingView, you have to get it on hedgingmastermind.com. And yeah, we'll meet in the next live stream.
I don't want to talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at.
All right, someone said US 30. I'll just do if I was now use my book. If you want to use your broker, go to hedgingmastermind.com and get the 1 year one-time fee signal. Okay, I'm just gonna do US 30 and then I'll end this stream. US 30. I'm just gonna do an analysis because I don't really trade US 30. US 30 is looking bullish right now. Okay, US 30 can go all the way up here, right? 34,700. Right, but if it goes below this point, then expect it to continue to crash. Okay, so that's just a quick US 30 analysis. Like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you have your notification bells on, and yeah, I'll upload a scalping video tomorrow.
Unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. Had to drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the 6. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, where I'm at, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to don't miss it. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the #1 spot, you got